Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to use Microsoft To Do in 2025. So here it will be a Microsoft To Do tutorial for beginners. So I will request you guys to watch the video till the end. So Microsoft To Do has become one of the most powerful yet user-friendly task management apps available. Whether you are a student, professional, or someone trying to organize your daily life, Microsoft To Do helps you stay on top of your tasks with simplicity and effectiveness. In this 2025 tutorial, we will walk you through step by step on how to use Microsoft To Do like a pro. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already in our todo.office.com in the landed here, and here we just need to be create an account. But before that, we need to be understand what is Microsoft To Do. So actually Microsoft To Do is a cloud-based task management app that helps user organize their to-dos, reminders and lists across device. It integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 tools like Outlook and Teams, making it ideal for both personal and professional uses. So getting started with Microsoft To Do. So let's create an account. So first of all, create one. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to that place. So I am going to use my Outlook account over that place. So here, this is my Outlook address. Let's check this out. Yeah, it's okay. As you can see it, almahim1@outlook.com. So here you can see it. Just click on. So I already have an Outlook account, so I just need to click over here, and again let's click on. Just click on next. Once I click over here, they will ask for the password, so let me paste it here. So finally you can see we started logging here. Let's click and save it. So here is keep having sign every time, yes, and it will be take to us in Microsoft To Do panel. So you can access Microsoft To Do in multiple ways, like desktop app available for Windows and Mac, then mobile app on iOS and Android. Also we have web version. Right now we are using it in this video. So here you can see this is our To Do interface. So basically right now we need to be understand the interface. So as of 2025, the interface is really clear and cleaner and more integrated with Microsoft 365. So here if you click over here, then you will see that find Microsoft 365 apps from that place. So you can access anything you want from Microsoft 365. So let's go and talk about the interface. So here you can see we have couple of options. Let's talk about Mayday or My Day. So it means a focused list of what you plan to get done today for today. Then important one, as you can see next to the My Day, that is basically tasks you have marked with a start or star, and next that is planned, as you can see this one. So here tasks with due dates or reminders will be available in that place. Next, assigned to me, task assigned to you by Microsoft Teams or Planner. That for reason you need to be use this one, assigned to me. And next that is task. This one you generally or your general task list. Then custom list. Here you can see this one, the custom list. You can create personalized list like work, shopping or fitness. So let's create a task, or I can say like managing a task. So first of all, add a task. This is really easy. Like you need to be click on tap on the add a task in the any list you can. So here you can see we have option like add a task. Then if you go important, here also you have the option for add a task. Also you have a new list. Next, let's create a new list from add here. So I'm going to give a name that will be WordPress. Next, click here on the right panel, add, and now eventually you can see that our WordPress has been added here. You can attach any files or notes for the context over that place also. It's totally up to you. So next, using My Day effectively. How we can use My Day? So My Day is not automatic. You choose what to focus on each day. Like click add to My Day. Just go over here and let's add a. Here you can see they are telling us to add My Day over here. So this is really easy. But what is the meaning? Like at the end of the video, incomplete tasks roll back to their original list. Use suggestion to add unfinished or uncompleting or upcoming task. Like let's talk about creating an organization list. So here you can see we have the option for new list. So here if you click on new list, just click over here and write something that is Shopify and click here, and now you can see our task has been added in that place. So here you can add your work task, home course, then shopping list, study plan, whatever you want. It's totally up to you on your plan. And this is the thing, this is really easy. You can change the looking format. Like here you can see there is an option, then you can sort by due date, attendance. Also let's talk about the plan. Here you can see we have this option for plan. Let's go and click over here, add a tag that will be YouTube content. Let's type it here, YouTube content, and then click here add. Once you add here today's date, that's why it's already added today. If you want to change it, then here come from that place and change your date. Let's click on 27. It already added tomorrow. So I hope you already identify how easy that work was and how important to use the task or to-do apps for you. It's really help you to organize your work, and it makes your work so much easy for you. Let's talk about another thing, that is integration and productivity booster. So here you can see if I click over here, then you will find out various like couple of apps in here which you are allowed to access it from that place. So Microsoft To Do now integrates more deeply with Outlook, sync flag emails as a task. Here you can see if I go over here, flag Gmail or email, so sync flag email as a task over that place. Then Microsoft Teams view assigned tasks in To Do. So here if you click over here, then you will find out that Microsoft Teams, this one. Next you have the planner option. Tasks from planner auto appear under assigned to me. So here you can see this is the planner. Where let's find out the planner. If you click over here more app, then you will find out like planner option. And next, content and loop. Use voice commands and loop commands are for modern workflows. So if you have any question towards this video, you can ask me on the comment box. I try my best to explain all the necessary steps what you need and try to introduce you with all these features and integration. I hope you learn lots of things from this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.